to Lenderking. We are America's oldest caging company with more than 150 years of manufacturing quality animal cages. At Lenderking, we design systems for the experience on both sides of the cage, understanding that housing systems need to be comfortable and support natural animal behaviors, while also being easy to clean and maintain for the folks on this side of the cage. Let's look at a Lenderking rabbit cage. Our comfort cage for rabbits is a double wide system configured as 2 wide and 3 high. Typically, these allow for 18 inches of headspace, but if you're working with larger animals, we can make these up to 26 inches tall in a quad configuration. Our bright electropolished doors come off for easy cleaning. This is where you'll find the feeder, water bottle mounts, and a card holder. If your facility uses automatic watering, those systems are in the back of the rack, nestled inside of the frame for protection. The star of the show is the divider with a sliding perforated panel in it. The clear Lexan panel hosts 3/4 inch holes so that neighboring rabbits can have visual and olfactory access to their partner in the next cage. The solid portion of the divider allows for escape if the rabbit gets scared and needs to retreat. The sliding panel allows you to give potential mates access to each other under supervision for short bursts of time. Once you are certain that 2 rabbits can be successfully paired without fighting incidents, this whole divider can be removed to give 2 rabbits 10.4 square feet of floor space. Another great feature of our rabbit cage is the resting board. This enrichment device gives both a perch and a hiding spot for your rabbits. It will also flip up and lock out of the way so that you can easily capture rabbits when necessary. As with all of our designs, these systems boast quality full swivel casters with grease fittings and brakes. You can learn about this system and variations like metabolic, ventilated, stainless steel, or ferret options at lenderking.com or by emailing sales@lenderking.com. Thanks for all you do. Take care.